Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the gearbox oil on a Honda CR-V 2008 2.2 liter diesel i-CTDi engine. Here we have the engine, and there we have the gearbox or the transmission. As you see here, I don't have the original airbox, so I have easier access to the filling plug. It's there beside my finger. And if you have the original airbox here, so you have to remove few things like the battery holder, and this housing here, and the airbox. You will have the air pipe coming from here, going under the battery to the airbox, so that one also has to be removed. When changing the transmission fluid, you want the car to be straight. So if you lift it, for example, by these ramps, so you want to lift it from the back side also, or like from the rear, or if you want, you can lift it by a jack from the front and start like remove the oil plug or like the drain plug for the transmission, let it drain, and then slowly let the car go down so it can drain the whole thing. If you drain it while the car is lifted only from the front, you will have like a good amount still in the transmission and it will not drain out. So keep the car straight when it's draining out. And the same thing when filling, you want the plug, the filling plug, to give you like some oil, and here you know that the level inside is correct. So if the car is not straight, it may give like wrong. It may show you like there is less fluid or there is more fluid than normal, and this also can be bad for the transmission. Now I'm gonna start the engine and let it idle a bit, and I'm gonna drive a bit also so the transmission oil can get warmer. Here I'm driving a bit. You can enjoy the sound without the airbox. So I drove the car and it's lifted now and everything is ready down there. So we have now the filling plug. We have to be sure that we can unscrew it. So we open this first, and when we are sure it's opened, then we can open the drain plug. So clean everything around it and then open it. Now it's opened, and I don't want to remove it the whole way, to take it away from there, because I want it to be like protecting. If there's something falls from here, I don't want it to come inside the transmission. Here is the drain plug, and here is the level plug, and that one is for shifting. Do not open it. So we're gonna work with this and this one. This is a 10mm, and this one as the one above. They are the one that is smaller than the 1/2 inch. I'm gonna open it. I broke it loose, and I'm almost sure it's gonna be a mess here, so I don't want to remove this plastic cover. So I just opened it from here, and I'm gonna let it drain. So here I have the filling, the draining, and the level. So they have new washers now. After waiting, I put back this and I tighten it. So now we can start the filling until it comes from that little hole that had the 10mm bolt. Now we're gonna add 2.5 liter of this MTF3. You can see the small bolt started dripping, so I'm gonna tighten it. Now I'm gonna tighten this. The transmission is filled now with new fluid to the right level, and every bolt I removed is back and tightened with new washers. So now I don't see visible leaks, so I'm gonna drive and let the transmission get to operating temperature. I'm gonna drive for like 10-15 kilometers maybe, so yeah, just to let it get warm, and then I'm gonna check again for leaks. So this place up here may be a bit like, it may take some time to check for leaks, but it's better to do it, because if you get like low transmission fluid, you may not know and you may damage the transmission. No leaks from the drain plug, not from the level plug, and not from the filling plug, then you are good to go. If you like my work and want to see more, you can like this video and subscribe to my channel.